Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the area and perimeter of this figure. And all the lengths are measured in centimeters. Well, let's start with the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, I just need to add up all the length. And I will have my 3.3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. How does Mr. Tan know that that is 2 here? Well, this and this must be equals to this. Okay, so this will be my 2 and continue my 1. And you will get this answer, 10 cm. And to find the area now, we just need to break this up into 2 shapes. 3 times 1 is this area here. Is this rectangle here. 3 times 1 plus 1 times 1, which is this blue color area here. And that will give me 4 cm square. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.